Ang yaman na nila guys, nakabili sila sarili nilang mundo. Na-exit na ako.
Kasing ina-apply yan na visa. Meron akong na-book. Depende kung itutuloy ko yung refund.
I didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this miserable without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be an us. Since you disappeared, I know it's time to
O sa akin kay Mika, pero walang makaka-steal. Kasi walang may alam. Dagdagan mo na lang.
Cause you're the closest thing